Hey there, folks. Jim Cramer here, and let me tell you, there's a new gold rush happening right now. But instead of picks and shovels, it's all about ones and zeros. That's right, we're talking Bitcoin. This digital gold is shaking up the financial world, and everyone wants a piece of the action. Now you might be thinking, Jim, isn't Bitcoin just for tech geniuses? Not a chance. This ain't rocket science, folks. It's about understanding the game and making smart moves. And trust me, the potential rewards are huge. The Bitcoin market is like a bucking bronco. It's wild, unpredictable, and full of surprises. But just like those cowboys in the Old West, the ones who know how to ride the wave can strike it rich. So are you ready to saddle up and join the digital gold rush? Let's dive in.
Alright, you're ready to jump into the Bitcoin game? Smart move! But before you go all in, let's talk strategy. Remember, this isn't a casino. It's about making informed decisions and maximizing your returns. First up, we have dollar cost averaging. This is like dipping your toes in the water instead of diving head first. You invest small amounts regularly, regardless of the price. It's a great way to ride out those Bitcoin price swings and come out ahead in the long run. Next, we've got hodling. This isn't a typo, folks. It means holding onto your Bitcoin for the long haul, even when the market gets bumpy. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a Bitcoin fortune. Patience is key. Finally, let's talk trading. This is for the more experienced players. It's all about buying low and selling high, taking advantage of those short-term market fluctuations. But be warned, it's risky business. You gotta be quick on the trigger and know when to cut your losses.
Now, who wants to hear about some real Bitcoin success stories? These are the folks who took the plunge and came out swimming in digital gold. Get ready to be inspired. First up, we have Sarah, a single mom from Ohio, who invested her savings in Bitcoin back in 2017. She didn't go crazy, just invested what she could afford to lose. Fast forward to today, and her investment has tripled. She's using her profits to send her kids to college and secure her financial future. Then there's John, a retired teacher who stumbled upon Bitcoin while researching online. He started small, just a few $100s here and there, but he believed in the technology and stuck with it. Now, he's living comfortably in retirement, all thanks to his savvy Bitcoin investments. These are just two examples of the countless success stories out there. Remember, these folks are not financial gurus. They're everyday people who took a chance and reaped the rewards.
Navigating the Bitcoin minefield. Understanding and mitigating risks. Now, before you go running off to buy a mountain of Bitcoin, let's talk about the elephant in the room, risk. Because, let's be real, every investment comes with risks, and Bitcoin is no different. The Bitcoin market can be volatile, like a roller coaster ride with unexpected twists and turns. One minute you're up, the next you're down. But remember, what goes down can also go up. Then there's the issue of security. Bitcoin is a digital currency, which means it's vulnerable to hacking and theft. But don't worry, there are ways to protect yourself. Choose a reputable exchange, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Finally, be aware of scams. Unfortunately, where there's money, there are always people looking to take advantage. Do your research, be wary of get-rich-quick schemes, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Bitcoin's crystal ball future predictions and expert advice. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Well, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be sipping margaritas on my own private island. But even without it, there are some promising signs. Many experts believe Bitcoin is here to stay. They see it as the future of finance, a decentralized and secure way to transact without the need for banks or intermediaries. And with more and more businesses accepting Bitcoin as payment, its value is only going to increase. Now, for my expert tips. First, do your homework. Don't just jump in blindly. Read up on Bitcoin, understand how it works, and learn about different investment strategies. Second, start small. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest what you can afford to lose and gradually increase your investment as you gain more experience. And finally, be patient. Bitcoin is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Ride out the volatility, stay informed, and you'll be well on your way to building a solid Bitcoin portfolio.
Conclusion: embarking on your Bitcoin adventure. So there you have it, folks. Bitcoin is a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and a little bit of luck, it could be the investment opportunity of a lifetime. Remember, this is just the beginning of the Bitcoin revolution. The future is bright and the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Saddle up, join the digital gold rush, and who knows, maybe I'll be telling your Bitcoin success story on Mad Money someday.